the VCs who are just a source of capital probably are going to be out of business.
Where do you see VC firms, or what do they look like 10 years from now?
It's an interesting question because I think VC has been going through quite a lot of turmoil in the last 4 or 5 years. Certainly just trying to raise external capital, it's been really difficult. I think that the uncertainty that's going around in the global market at the moment is going to make things equally difficult, but you've got to put everything in context. The world moves in cycles. And I think that in 5 to 10 years, VCs are going to come back again strongly. There's always a demand for really interesting products. I think, there's a little bit overemphasis on AI, but the other stuff will start coming back too.
So over the course of the next 10 years, I think the biggest thing with VC is efficiency and also data-driven decisions into how we're looking at companies across the portfolio, and also how we're getting through a lot of our workflows that have otherwise been more manual, both with outreach, diligence, all across the board. So I think you'll see VCs really integrating platforms, technology in a way that, our portfolio companies are doing every day.
I think the concept of platform is really driving change across VCs. I think the notion of VCs as simple investors and providers of capital, I think that's going to be less and less the core value that VCs add. I think the notion of platform, added services, I think VCs as true industry players, helping startups understand trends, understand macro trends, and the impact that they can have beyond their narrow scope of the work they're doing, and enabling all of that work cross-functionally is going to be a huge role, an important role that VCs can play.
If you're adding value, I think the VCs who are just a source of capital probably are going to be out of business. But if they're offering value, real value, because they've been entrepreneurs or they've organized an event like you guys are right now, where you can meet other high quality candidates for maybe clients or employees or whatever. So the people adding value are going to be able to add more value by adopting AI. And the people who are not adding value, who are just using AI to make investments, will probably die off.